Hey guys, what's up? Learning YouTube day number 4. Look, I just got home from work. I'm just hanging out. So I decided to make a video because I need to. Because again, I'm trying to do this for a whole 365 days. Like putting one video out there every single day, which is pretty intense. But it's gonna be a hell of a goal to try to reach. But like I just want to tell you like a little bit of like what's been going on. I've been learning the past couple days on how to do thumbnails. I've been watching videos and stuff on like what softwares to use, where to go, what to do with this, what to do with that. I've been learning about keywords, like trying to get people to click on your video through a keyword or through a search or through like a browse and things like that. Um, so I've just kind of been working on all of that, trying to understand it. Um, what else have I been doing? Uh, well, like I've been working a lot today, so like I'm just beat, dude. I'm just tired. So, um, like I was watching videos on formulas, like what kind of videos to put out and things like that. And from what they were saying, right, like for the first maybe like 50 videos, dude, you just want to create whatever, right? Because what you're trying to do is you're trying to get traction on the channel, so you're trying to get people to come to the channel. Um, but through that, you have to like understand what kind of audience you want. You have to understand like the people you're trying to reach, and then you have to like make sure your thumbnails are good, so people like see the thumbnail and they want to click on the thumbnail. Then keywords and tags and things like that. So I've just been doing a lot, man. I've been learning a lot about the whole YouTube thing. I've been learning a lot about um, like just tags and just trying to grow a channel, right? Um, Comment below what you guys think so far. Tell me anything I can do differently. Like, because like that's pretty much what this is for, right? Just to learn, gain advice, gain information, take you guys along on the journey with me. But thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, do all that stuff. Comment especially because again, I'm very active in the comments. I love talking to you guys. Thanks for watching the other 3 videos as well. And I will catch you guys tomorrow because I got things to do tonight. So this is kind of a shorter video, but I'll catch you guys tomorrow with another video, tell you what's been going on, and I will see you guys later. All right, peace, guys.